Hello guys, Pallet of Gardening transforming your gardening with versatile wood platform. Gardening have always been a cherished hobby and a protect a way to connect with nature as more people embrace sustainability living and project Pallet have nudging us a popular choice from create unique and functional gardening space. Those versatile would play form often handling possibility from gardening enthusiasts from taste bed to versatile gardening and compost bin. We explored the various way palette can be used in gardening, their benefit and type of choose and popular palette from your project. The appear of palette in gardening. Palette compost use from shape and story and typically made from stood wood as a ox, pin or solved their wild point available and low cost made theme and architecture other from gardening look to create innovation and build budget friendly solve. Here are some recent away palette are going popular in the gardening comet. Affordable, often available from free or at a low cost from away house hardware story of online marketplace palette or convenient choose from gardening. Centrability, repromoting palette from gardening project promote recycle and redying away to a more sustainability lifestyle. Versatile palette can be easy customized and available to sub gardening need, make theme or fixed other from different gardening layout and style. Easier to use with base tool and a bit of to create even innovation here from transforming palette in functional gardening century. Create use from palette in the gardening. Rustic gardening bed. One of the most popular use of palette in gardening is create rustic bed. Rustic bed often naming advertising in cabin inflows hold account of plants and hub debate convenient. Here how you can make a rustic bed use pallet. Material need 2 3 wood pallet shed homing landscape Phillip, salt and compost. Step line the bed, place landscape fabric as the bottom of the frame of provide wood from growing those and to help restrict soil. Foiled with salt. Add a maximize to salt and compost to the bed filled it to the tom. Versatile gardening. Versatile gardening is a growing a way to maximize space in smart gardening to a big set. Pattern can be easy transforming into versatile plants to growing hard flower or even vegetable. Here are some cases to create a rustic vertical gardening. Material need 1 wood pallet, sandpaper, plants or leaf, landscape fiber. Step plants your gardening plants hard flower or smart vegetable in a in the big water those. Add salt, fin they pick with plant salt in deep fiber to easiest sun ability. Compost bin. Compost is an excellent way to recycle kitchen in and gardening away to packs solved pallet can be used simple and effect compost bin. Here how to build a compost bin with pallet. Material need for wood pallet, zip type or rope, compost material, step around the pallet, stood the pallet on here side of to form the squat quest shape. Star compost add layout from corning to blame material to the bin. Turn the compost resisting or need its and space up the compost project. Pallet can also be used to